First, the top headlines. Moreh SDPO Chingtham Anand shot dead by Kuki militants today at Moreh. MPCC President K. Megachandra slames state government over inactivity. National Unity Day observed. State is committed to bringing equal development both in hills and valleys. Must live together in peace and harmony for future generations. CM and Biren. Health workers must spread awareness on the hazardous effects of iodine deficiency. Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan. Rohan Film continues to bring out truth of misuse of funds donated by church communities, fund used by Kuki militants in buying arms and ammunition. Manipur clinches gold medal in fencing event in the Goa 37 National Games. And curfew relaxed in Imphal East, West, Thobal and Bishnupur districts till 10 p.m. Kakching district till 8 p.m. today. Good afternoon, you're watching 3 p.m. ELITETV English News. This is Mutum Langlenton giving you the news in details. Kuki militants are not mending their ways of attacking innocent Meitei people and security forces who are trying to restore peace and normalcy in the state. In one of the unprecedented attacks, SDPO Moreh Chingtham Anand has been shot dead today at around 10 a.m. at Moreh Eastern Ground in an attack by armed Kuki militants. As per police report called from police sources, Chingtham Anand, who was on duty along with his team inspecting for a construction of a new helipad at Eastern Ground Moreh, was hit by a sniper bullet which pierced through his stomach, and after he was rushed to a nearby hospital, he succumbed to the bullet injury. Massive search operation has been launched by Additional Superintendent of Police Krishna Tombi. Heavy exchange of gunfire is currently underway between state forces and Kuki militants at Moreh. It may be mentioned that though state security forces were airlifted for deployment in Moreh town, they were halted at 5th Assam Rifles camp, from where they have been unable to approach Moreh town upon being stopped by Kuki people blocking their passage. In order to facilitate the deployment of the state security forces, a new helipad is being planned to be constructed at Eastern Ground Moreh since the past 5-6 days, where SDPO Chingtham Anand was leading the team and supervising. Meanwhile, the dead body of SDPO Chingtham Anand has been airlifted and brought to Jennings morgue. On the other hand, MPCC President L. Megachandra has blamed the BJP government over its inactivity to bring an end to the 6th turmoil which is affecting people of all walks of life in the state. The statement was made today during a press meet held at Manipur Congress Bhavan while condoling the death of SDPO Moreh Chingtham Anand, while noting that the attacks and killing of even the state security forces shows that there is a big mistake on the part of the state government, and also highlighted that the present government is unable to govern the state.
Lighted property, Padra Singi Punsi, Kanbungam Dava, Tohan Pelay, Mui Babaki, Yung Kai. Adagi man sang mayam manghali mayam si kanbang ngam da batana tana ngasi di security force mayam si live ko kanbang ngamtre maramatu na yamna live thiba Chingtham Anand mahak lekhidaba yamna thona pa ba Manipur gi territorial integrity ngakpa law and order ngakpa da asobo thogam rombodo ngasi di lenga kasi gi makhada security force si ba sep ko tre haibse Lenga City, Zoba Pilway, Haiba, Mam Sing Sisu, Masi, Togo Sing, Tai, Maramasina, Aina, Arobada, Nasi, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯐꯦꯂꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯗꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯟ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯣꯐꯤꯁꯇꯤꯀꯦꯇꯦꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯦꯔꯣꯔꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯛꯄꯗ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀꯣꯟꯗꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯔꯣꯡꯂꯤ ꯀꯟꯗꯦꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯦꯁ ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ.
Chief Minister N. Biren has expressed that the state government is committed to bringing equal development both in hills and valleys of the state, and asserted that people of all communities must live with peace and harmony, cooperating with each other for our better future generations. The statement was made today during the state-level observance of National Unity Day, which was held at First Manipur Rifles Parade Ground. Today's function was attended by Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, along with other ministers, MLAs and senior officials of the state government. Speaking during the occasion of National Unity Day, which is being celebrated in commemoration of 148th birth anniversary of late Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, CM N. Biren expressed that following the footsteps and ideologies of the Iron Men of India who struggled and pioneered in uniting India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been able to project our country into international platforms. He added that in order to bring back peace and normalcy in the state, the government is now taking up various skill development trainings, disbursing loans, providing financial assistance to self-help groups, both in hills and valleys. During the occasion, he appealed to all to maintain peace and normalcy in the state. N. Biren further appealed to all concerned CSOs not to spread any news or narratives that might be detrimental to the peaceful existence of the communities in the state.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji fidam masi induna lairi balema kasina aset fidam amagloina ekoi gi raija sigi apun mali sakdam kahendana ba amadi saukhat na baleba kama hoinna ba hone aral no wakhan ni hum oiduna amadi rajati ge kuwa miyeng da kudong sam ka gen na ekoi masel musina da merum sin magi matam aduna trehen kanjai apun mali sakdam Hena sesel hena ba madi punna saukhat ba landam mo hena ba positive ba madi constructive way da ekoi punna samsin minashi maduna ekoi gi state si angulai ta ba hena nushi sana ba state ma koi mo ngani state sarkar asina state si ga punna sakta mamadi thong mana ba saukhat ba ha mi ngasi da lenga.
Health Minister Dr. Shapam Ranjan has expressed that deficiency of iodine in the body leads to several hazardous diseases, and the health workers must take up steps to spread awareness among the masses about the harmful effects of iodine deficiency. The statement was made today during the observation of Global Iodine Deficiency Disorder Prevention Day 2023 at the auditorium of DIPR, organized by Directorate of Health Service Manipur and State Health Society Manipur NHM. The observation program was attended by Director Health Services Dr. Shashikumar Mangang, Director State Health Mission Dr. Shomorjit Ningombang, along with Commissioner Health and Family Welfare Pradeep Kumar Jha. During the program, people were highlighted on how to distinguish between iodized and non-iodized salt. Dr. Shapam Ranjan further expressed that iodine is required in a meager amount in our diet. However, its deficiency can create several health conditions in the human body, and we need to take adequate iodine content in our diet in order to prevent ourselves from various incurable diseases. He has appealed to all to use iodized salt in our diets and also urged all health workers to properly educate and spread awareness amongst the masses with regard to the benefits and deficiency of iodine.
Use ordinary uniodized salt in the open. Never use stored iodized salt in open category. Make sure that the salt has been iodized first, is first consumed. These are good things. But ultimately, Kanana check the I think it's the food safety department which has to lead from the front to check the worker, whether it's hotels, lead the worker in coordination with the SNO of this iodine deficiency disorder, the deal to SNOs among officials, put me in the but I'm sorry to say, whether food safety officials sing Pau Pidabra, Pau Pandabra, Tabak Chillabra, iodine deficiency, important Oide and Canberra.
After Rohan Films bringing out the truth before the Christian communities of Kolkata, Chennai, Trivandrum, Goa regarding misuse of funds by Kuki militants in buying arms and ammunition, which were donated by church communities, a ban has been imposed on Rohan Film on holding seminars and press meets in Christian-dominated areas. However, amidst the ban, Rohan Film, in his continuous efforts of bringing out the truth to the church communities in India, has successfully conducted a press conference cum seminar at Kochi city of Kerala. Active support in organizing the press conference cum seminar was extended by Christian Association and Alliance for Social Action based in Kerala. Rohan Film expressed that though the ban on his holding of press meets and seminar has not been directly made by Kuki people, their involvement in imposing the ban is certain, he expressed. During the press conference, he also expressed that the current situation in Manipur is a result of numerous issues arising out of drugs, narco-terrorism, homeland, reserve forest issues, and infiltration of illegal immigrants. While answering to a query with regard to the incident of two Kuki women being paraded naked, Rohan Film expressed that the incident was highly condemned by all Meitei people. However, none from the Kuki community has condemned or raised voice against the brutal murder of Lintuingambi and Hemanjit, highlighting the difference in the mentality of the Kuki people and Meitei people.
Around 200 Meitei Christian houses were also vandalized by the Kukis. So how can when a majority of the Christian community have attacked the minority of another Meitei Christian community, you can't just term this as a religious clash itself. And in the meantime, the Kukis have also vandalized a long list of shrines and mandirs which belong to the Meitei Hindus and the Meitei Sanamagis. So it's around like 393 mandirs, was even more higher than this church's number. So it's a very clear thing that it was a fight between the two communities. Now people have started terming this from different background as indigenous and a non-indigenous fight also. And we have no justification or whatever had happened from both the communities, but I believe that peace is the need of the art. This is almost like a multiple time of press conference and press release that I have ever given. And I would request our Kuki brothers and sisters, if you truly believe that there can be peace happening very soon, and we are also inviting with a free hand that we can sit and talk and sort out what can be the best instead of by avoiding all these wars and crimes which happen.
Yet another gold medal has been added to the medal tally of the state of Manipur in the ongoing 37 National Games. Women's fencing team of Manipur with Naure Meena Devi, Waikhom Sonia Devi, Wanglembam Thobi Devi and Khushburani Lashram have clinched gold medal, defeating state of Haryana by 45-22 points. The team had previously entered semi-finals after defeating Goa and entered finals by defeating Tamil Nadu. Earlier, Manipur's men fencing EP team had won bronze medal in the event. With this, Manipur has held 8 gold medals, 3 silver medals and 12 bronze medals in the 37 national games. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC today has observed the 148th birth anniversary of India's first Deputy Prime Minister and India's Home Minister, popularly known as Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Also observed 38th death anniversary of India's first woman Prime Minister Indira Gandhi at MPCC Congress Bhavan. During the ceremony of offering floral tributes to the late national leaders, CLP leader and former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi expressed that after India gained independence, several princely states were not part of the newly independent country, and in order to reunite all such states, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel had undertaken pioneering leadership in the unification process of the then India. In appreciation of his effort, the title of Iron Man of India was conferred upon him. He also continued that not only Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, late Indira Gandhi also fought for the unification of India till her last breath, and the ideal of these two great leaders must be propagated by today's generation. He further added that any force or agency which tries to disintegrate India or Manipur shall be dealt with by the Congress party.
Deputy Prime Minister Oibiramba Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Lawiramba Matang asida akhoi mayam punamak ningsingba yai Bharat asi ningkha tamdringagi mamangda even ningkha tammaba matamdasu loina pundaba Manipur gumba haiba tare ningthauna saswan tauba sovereign country ni haidra launaba Manipur asisu amaneba sigumba leipak sanga henbana tongan na leiramba Bharat ase masi punjalana hotnabada Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel na hek ahanba Deputy Prime Minister in charge of home oiba matamduda mana home gi su in charge su oibanina masi punjalana hotnabada mana lobikhiba thodang madu sakhangba oina Iron Man of India haina Bharat ase amatoina aduguma tongan baning thopan ba leipaksing sanga yang khaymu puram bayai haina khali including Manipur yauna masi Bharat amata oigadabani haina mana lobiramba thodang du masak khangba oina Iron Man of India haina masi phawba sonari basini aduna Bharat sinba thungna unity day haina maki mapuk numise masi akhoi celebrate tawri basini.
As a part of the planned year-long celebration of the Golden Jubilee Foundation Day of all Manipur Working Journalists Union, AMJU, a one-day sensitization program on land revenue was held today at the Manipur Press Club in cooperation with District Administration, Imphal West. The sensitization program was attended by Imphal West District Deputy Commissioner T.H. Kiran Kumar, President of AMJU Bijoy Kakching Tabam, President of Editor Guild of Manipur, and media persons of different media houses of the state. During the occasion, ADC, ADM Imphal West, Dr. N. Johnson Meitei spoke on the Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014 and conversion of land, while AC2DC Imphal West, K.H. Lenin Singh spoke on the digitization of land records and land acquisitions as resource persons. Speaking on the occasion, Imphal West DC T.H. Kiran Kumar expressed that there are several basic things which a common man can know under the Land Revenue Act. Several crises and issues take place which are centered around this Land Revenue Act, and even fights ensue between siblings of the same parents arising out of land disputes. Any estate land can be granted as pata land to the citizen according to the provision of the Land Revenue Act. Before making changes in the records of right, compulsory consultation and assessment with regard to the number of occupants of the land in question has to be ascertained. However, he admitted that due to some dishonest land revenue officers, disputes with regard to the occupancy of land exist within the department and in the state. Hence, proper sensitization and awareness with regard to provisions of the land revenue is very much essential, he added.
State ki district ki khun gi khana natana imung bo chini na ho in si yamani hendana bai bo pom na rin ne ek ko thuk na khana daga so aduna yamna miwa baga attach ta orga laiba adugumba thin maman si Manipur khatagi nate apam ko dimo kani si toise ising thana na bai sing yen gumba amadi lam gumba so me kadi gino da si scarce resource ni Haji, mi masih yang kalau kita mengenal dalam di Papua kita tak mina, bapa aku di muda sih gitu, isu je tu lagi. Jadi ijazah itu ibu mana tu dah. Malam tu macam apa ramai dalam ini, nanti ni amsa. Aduna, nungai nada tu nak tungan nak thamuraga, apa ina maru koi na thamni mani, aina basically thamni.
On the other hand, Amjui President Bijoy Kaksingtabam expressed that there is greater relevance of the Land Revenue Act in the current ongoing situation in the state, and further expressed that due to the difference in applicability of the Land Revenue Act in the hills and valleys, disputes and confusions have flowed up. And he further stressed that several other sensitization programs will also be conducted in cooperation with other departments in celebration of the year-long Golden Jubilee celebration.
Manipur hausa policy data land law position ama yaw salamanda the Manipur president to have you land was that samana law masala the rumba ama police station theory is kuiba kasi rani wala this hang was easy theory tapatana maruna very dana land was first of English dana land was first of aduna singi the nariba yellow come system of the manada or customary land systems le sai one of the kalu kharati magi chip sida ko whenever magi chip institutions na magi dictatorial magi whenever magi policy.
A discussion program was held yesterday by Kokomi along with the Deputy Commissioner in Imphal West District, T.H. Kiran Kumar, at the Office of DC Imphal West. The meeting was participated by Superintendent of Police, Imphal West District, SDO and villagers of Laimakong. The meeting discussed the possibility of resettlement of the villagers of Ingorok and Laimakong Chingmang who have been rendered homeless due to the crisis that began on May 3rd. After the discussion, DC Imphal West permitted to conduct spot inquiry on the feasibility of starting the resettlement process at Laimakong ex-service colony. Later, with the permission of DC Imphal West, Kokomi along with SP Imphal West, SDO, Lamshang, officer in charge of Sekmai police station and villagers of Ingorok and Laimakong Chingmang who are taking shelter at Mandop Yumpam relief camp collectively held a discussion on the issue. During the discussion, Kokomi coordinator Jitendra Ningomba expressed that for the first phase, resettlement will be started at Laimakong ex-service colony, and after examination, it will be studied on how far the villagers can proceed further into their native villages.
Today, Nakaleva, she homes in Tomatamna are the Yum Sadi, Tumra, Yum Sadi, Karai, Yum Sadi. Are the Yum Sadi, commanding Tare, Lumu Kelly when the town or when the Yum Sadi the door, which had no longer to Pakan Salad again, as a Pakan Sabatamda, Jingasan and Quater Kanusan and the Pomulate, Mompake, the gas, the community, I have some months ago. Adusu, when we knew who is October of the Anemi that kind of photo Hana, with the Pila Kanda, a Kuna, what you government ready like Kana, I am from the my home Geneva, I do you walk along to hijacking.
Now let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned for further news.
Yen Semba Haiba Myoy Ama Pamjai, Imphal the Laiba Yen Yon Pam Dukanamagi, Yen Semba Saba Haiba Myoy Ama Pamjai, Thagi Tolop negotiate Toba Yagani, Laipam Chapam, Lem the Laiba Yabagi Kudong Chabasu, Fang Bigani, Hena Akupa Marol Gidamak, mobile number 9362658436 Asida contact Tobirak Payagani.
Diabetes kaloina hinglibasing thamagi manungda control to bangamle urea creatinine wangbasu thamagi manungda hanthaba ngamle khong hamba nungai tebasu numit mangani gi manungda fan bangamle pile savadi nusang nabasu chama da chama fan bangamle cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oiba ngamle bp wangbasu thamagi manungda normal oiba ngamle pumnamak natural oiba hidak makhalna laing jabani hakjang da sokadaba side effect laite makhata na hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi akupa marol gidamak ngasimak langsin birau diabetes hospital Jennings Road near Punjab National Bank Porompat Imphal East
planning to study outside Manipur? Are you confused about your college or university selection after 12? Manipur Edu Online provide assistance to help you. College or university selection, admission guidance, career counseling. Don't delay. For more details, kindly log into our website www.manipuredu.online, or you can also call us at 7628 960 947.
Presto Personalized Wonders, Imphal da nauna hangdok chere, Hairiba asida personalized gifts, corporate gifts, awards and mementos, home decor, office rubber stamp na chingba potlamsing, mafam asida phangbigani, ngasi maglangsing birau, Tilak Ras Enterprises, Presto, Tangal Bazar near Kasturi Tong, Imphal. Contact number 0385-244-9025 natraga 98621-00456.
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. After holding talks with one measure of 57 Mountain Division Laimakong ex-service colony Kanto Sabal Laimakong, Imphal West SP Oshi, Sekmai and 6 Kokomi members were allowed to enter the colony for inspection of the area. The members expressed discontentment over the act of the army personnel of not allowing the villagers to enter the area for the inspection, and though some of them were allowed to enter, they were not allowed to get down from their vehicles. This raised a question as to how the villagers will be able to start the resettlement process in the ex-service colony, and expressed that the concerned authorities take a serious look into the matter.
Madi Valesky SP Paminaraga Lemakong area Yum Hanjan Bayanabagi Kanarva Matunda ex colony the Hana resettlement Tohanji Habagi Matumina Kona ex colony the Kokomigi Commission Amadi Pal Wesky SP Madi Lekai Musim Puna Sanjarubani other the Figi ex colony Lemakong Yoram Daida Army checkpoint level the Yakosi Pulap Sangbaya Duna Matek Army gari the Pusan Biraga, Kubu, Kumbo, the Kumhandana, Happy, Unaga Hatupiri, one of Toribamung, Sinadia Quiri, settlement Sikara, delay Ogado Mali, Ramudana, Sarkari, Marilinaba, DC, Amadi, Sarkari Marilina Singna.
Despite receiving approval from the Deputy Commissioner in Imphal West District, the villagers were not permitted to enter the ex-service colony by the army personnel stationed in the area, and the villagers are in dilemma. Chief Secretary Vinit Joshi, in an official release issued yesterday, has expressed that a sumo motu FIR case has been registered against the Churachandpur-based joint students' body, which had recently announced for declaring Friday as holiday in the district of Churachandpur. The official release also stated that the state is minutely monitoring every act that will have repercussions on the peaceful coexistence between the different communities residing in the state, and the sumo motu FIR case has been registered for violation of law by the joint students' body Churachandpur. The release further appealed to all not to rely on such baseless and illegal notifications. According to a press release issued yesterday, Sagolban Constituency Progressive Committee, in collaboration with the Peace and Relief Committee, Sagolban has distributed over 300 blankets at various relief camps, including Wangu Higher Secondary School, Wangu Ahalummayay Lekai Community Hall, Wangu Selukhong Upper Primary School, and Laishoi Relief Camp in Thanga. In the release, Corporator of Ward No. 7, Sagolban Assembly Constituency, RKG10, expressed gratitude for the guidance provided by MLA RK Imo of Sagolban Assembly for his contributions towards the cause of supporting the victims of the current crisis.
Honorable MLA RK Imo ki miyeng makada koi mamang da sana thanaba gi item khara piba lakcharame hojingna amuk injal lakpasida leiriba image singda nungaitaba ajabatai aingbagi khoi kano do kitang khangbada mating oigadra haiduna Honorable MLA gi magi tha amagi tolop tagi handaki ta kano simadi katok charaga koi mamangda maninglomda koi sogum line da leiriba khoi maphom kya da pijaru re ngasi sina ani rak su bani khoi lakchari se makata na su magi side ta ge dum khara khara masi yam na hekta masi ne hekta ning ba thungani hai banate kitang mayam gi khara khara kem si masing yam bani na khara khara khoi khara ga suna ba hai ta re pina ba khoi onabe MLA na takpi re aduna mayam su hai ri ba keno sina khara sina haitang ingba kupiu hai ba wafam se thamjage.
5 girls W. Baby Roy Debbie, KH Lelina Chanu, KH Kavita Chanu, S. Asabina Chanu and L. Chinkhaingan B. Chanu yesterday donated relief materials for the inmates taking shelter at Tangjeng Mangjing Relief Camp. The relief materials include hot water bags for elderly persons, winter wear and eatables for the inmates. L. Lelina Chanu during the distribution of the relief material expressed that they saw the conditions of the relief camp in the Raj blocks and after seeing the video, they decided to extend some form of possible help for the inmates of the camp.
Agora satu kami kaya degi laksa bane, semaina relief camp da mateng bang macam je satu je aku icioi memang hona laga laksa bane ba, ada aku je video je semaina theng na bane, ebi degi theng na bane ko, ebi degi da diras luang blok ko, si degi theng na video je uraga aku je semaina mateng bang macam lak bane, ada gi aku na fund drive tahu je, ebi degi show degi WhatsApp kita je memang aku thang na memang tahu na raga memang gi mateng degi aku na semaina mateng je pang malak pangan je bane, video tu ko, yang na pukning nungsiba ahan ko, hamba wa khazana ngam deba ahan memang ubang ngam ko, ada ahan ke ka ubang ngam degi angang memang ubang ngam, ada aku ichi hoi memang tahu raga angam bakar kaya na raga semaina ngam jaba kara pang malak bane.
Upon improvement in the law and order situation in Valley districts, curfew has been relaxed till 10 p.m. today in Imphal East, Imphal West, Bishnupur and Thoubal districts. For Kakching district, curfew has been relaxed till 8 p.m. today. Markets and shops are open during the curfew relaxation. Traffic was seen as usual on the road. People rushed to markets and shops to purchase essential items during the curfew relaxation. The Andhra Pradesh High Court granted interim bail for 4 weeks to former Chief Minister and Telugu Desam Party TDM Chief N. Chandrababu Naidu in connection with a multi-crore skill development corporation scheme case. The High Court's decision to grant bail to Naidu was based on health grounds. Chandrababu Naidu has been facing a series of legal challenges in recent weeks. On October 30, the Andhra Pradesh Crime Investigation Department CID initiated another legal action against the prominent political figure, this time involving allegations of granting illegal permissions to liquor companies operating within the state. This recent case has led to Naidu being included as accused number 3 and falls under the purview of the Prevention of Corruption (PG) Act. The CID formally lodged a petition in the Anti-Corruption Bureau (SCB) court, which subsequently granted permission for this latter CID action. Remarkably, this marks the 4th case filed against Naidu by the CID in recent times. Presently, Chandrababu Naidu finds himself in judicial custody at Raja Mahendravaram Central Prison, facing accusations of financial misappropriation linked to the Skill Development Corporation. These allegations are estimated to have resulted in a substantial loss of more than Rs 300 crore to the state treasury. A report by US-based cybersecurity firm Resecurity has claimed that personal identifiable information of about 815 million, which is 81.5 crore Indians, has been leaked on the dark web as reported by Business Standard. Resecurity in a blog post wrote on October 9th, a threat actor going by the name PWN111 posted a thread on bridge forums brokering access to 815 million Indian citizen Aadhaar and passport records. Notably, India's entire population is over 1.486 billion people. The company also added that its Hunter HUMINT unit investigators who established contact with the threat actor learned that they were willing to sell entire Aadhaar and Indian passport database for $80,000. As per media reports, Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) is currently investigating the breach that was discovered by hacker PWN111. Another report by News 18 states that the compromised data might be from the Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) database. A hacker on X has also informed India's biggest data breach, a known hacker, have leaked the personal data of over 800 million Indian of COVID-19. The leaked data include name, father's name, phone number, Aadhaar number, passport number, Aadhaar number, age. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu on Monday said a ceasefire in Israel's war against Hamas will not happen, as the UN warned not enough aid was coming in to meet unprecedented humanitarian needs. The Israel-Gaza war has entered its 25th day today. The head of UN Agency for Palestinian Refugees told a UN emergency meeting Monday an immediate humanitarian ceasefire has become a matter of life and death for millions, accusing Israel of collective punishment of Palestinians and forced displacement of civilians, as per AP reports. More than 8,300 people have been killed, 66% of them women and children, and tens of thousands injured, according to the latest figure from Gaza's Ministry of Health. Japan will impose further sanctions on a number of individuals, including people based in Gaza, according to the statement released by the Japanese Foreign Ministry on Tuesday. Israel's permanent representative to the United Nations, Gilad Erdan, has called Hamas modern-day Nazis and added that the terrorist group is not seeking a solution to the conflict. He said that Hamas is interested in the annihilation of the Jewish people. The White House has emphasized that Israel should take measures to protect innocent residents in Gaza by distinguishing between Hamas militants and civilians. This came on Sunday as world leaders increased their call for humanitarian aid to be delivered to the war-torn Palestinian territory. For ELITETV News channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 940-2890-982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. Now, before we wrap up, let's look at the headlines once again. Moray SDPO Chingtham Anand shot dead by Kuki militants today at Moray. MPCC President K. Megachandra claims state government over inactivity. National Unity Day observed. State is committed to bringing equal development both in hills and valleys. Must live together in peace and harmony for future generations, CM and Biden. Health workers must spread awareness on the hazardous effects of iodine deficiency, Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan. Rohan Film continues to bring out truth of misuse of funds donated by church communities, fund used by Kuki militants in buying arms and ammunition. Manipur clinches gold medal in fencing event in the Goa 37 National Games. And curfew relaxed in Imphal East, West, Thoubal and Bishnupur districts till 10 p.m. Kakching district till 8 p.m. today. Thank you for watching ELITETV English News. Take care and stay safe.